Hi, this is Tim. Today we will see the parts and control surfaces of an aircraft. First, let's take a look at an aircraft. This is it. Now let's move it around a bit. This is the fuselage, which carries crew, passengers, and cargo. This is the wing, which creates the upward force or the lift for the aircraft to fly. This is the engine, which creates the forward force or the thrust for the aircraft. The tail section has the horizontal and the vertical stabilizers, and the landing gear, which supports the weight and allows the movement on the ground. Now let's see some control surfaces, again by moving the aircraft around a bit. This is the rudder, which is used to yaw the aircraft. Now if we see from the top, we see the ailerons on the wing, which are used to roll the aircraft. And on the horizontal stabilizers, we have the elevators used to pitch the aircraft. Now what does yaw, pitch, and roll mean? Let's see. Yaw is turning the aircraft towards the left or towards the right with the help of the rudder. Pitch is bringing the nose of the aircraft up or bringing it down using the elevator. Roll is banking the aircraft towards the left or towards the right using the ailerons.